In this video, I will guide you on how to power off the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, and I will also show you how to set up the power button so that whenever you long press on the power button, instead of it opening up Gemini or Pixabay, you should be able to get to the power menu so that you can power off or turn off your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. So by default, after setting up your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G to power off or turn off the device, instead of long pressing on the power button, the way you want to do it is to just long press on the power button and the volume down button together, and you're going to be taken to the power menu where you can now choose to power off your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G by tapping on the power off option. Once you tap it again, it will be turned off. Another way you can do this is to just swipe down through the control center, and you're going to see the power icon at the top right. Go ahead and tap on that, and then again you want to select on power off to power off your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. But if you actually want to set up the power button so that you do not need to long press on the power button and the volume down button just to power it off, the way you do that is to go over to the settings, and then you want to scroll all the way down till you get to the advanced features. Select that, and then here we have side button. Go ahead and select that as well, and as you can see, long press of the side button actually takes us to Google Gemini, but what you want to set it to is the power off menu, and automatically once you now long press on the power button on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, you'll be taken to the power menu where you can now choose to power off the device by tapping on the power off option. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.